Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am out with my family at the lake. It's Good Friday today and I'm gonna try and upload this as soon as I can. It's very beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it behind me.
Oh yeah.
That's my husband. And we're at... Okay guys, so first and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and start priming my face. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Prime. Need more. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer by Elizabeth Mott. This is a lot, so you just need a little bit for both eyes. Can you remember it? Both. Now I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my lips a little bit with a little bit of the lip balm. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna try and do them here. Did I not bring my Fenty? My go-to. Not sponsored, by the way. My eyebrows. Did my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a little subtle eye look because we are at the lake. I don't want to do something too drastic. Like glitter. This one. So I'm just putting it in the outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna try a blue eyeliner, and this is the Remy eyeliner Melody, and it's blue. And top of the waterline. Eyelashes, I don't think I am. I'm gonna put a lot of mascara. Okay, so now I went ahead after curling my eyelashes, put some eyeliner. And now I am going to I'm gonna do a little bit of foundation, guys. My hair. And no skin is perfect, guys. My skin changes with the seasons, with the weather. I'm not even kidding. I'm like a chameleon. And right now I woke up with a lot of like my skin kind of like not peeling but a little bit flaky. It's like dry skin. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of concealer. I just want a little bit, I don't want a lot. Oh my god, I want a lot and I'm putting a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and get my highlighter there, a little bit there. Don't be afraid about it. Setting spray. I don't even have to go like that. The wind is literally doing it for me. My dog. He's like, take me out for walking now. Okay, so I'm gonna be using, this is a Beauty Benefits Lasting Flush Liquid Lip Color Matte. I don't know if I got this at Dollar Tree, but it's pretty and I like it. So super lustrous. This one has glitter. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter. Okay guys, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. So guys, this is the final product. Something simple, something quick. Like I said, I'm at the lake. I am gonna fix my hair and I'm gonna go have some fun with my family, and I hope you guys have a really good Friday. Something simple for the lake. Like I said, I don't want to go full on out. Something simple and very quick. Took me like less than, I think, 15 minutes. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down in the comment section. If you guys can please give this video a like, give them a like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a good evening, night, wherever you're at. And until next time, thank you. Bye guys.